Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the host PC is signed into Chrome and has Chrome Remote Desktop enabled. Once done, install the mobile app on your phone from the App Store and sign in with the same Google account. Make sure the host shows as online and set a strong 6-digit or longer PIN when prompted. This secures your link. I'll show why each step matters as we move forward so you don't get stuck later. Once connected, you'll see the remote desktop preview. Tap to open it and enter your PIN. You should configure display resolution and pointer mode for responsiveness, because phones vary in CPU and bandwidth. Make sure orientation and scaling fit your screen so text stays readable, and enable clipboard or file transfer only when necessary to move data. If audio is required, toggle the audio stream or use local sound. To finish, sign out of any sensitive accounts on the remote PC, save work, then disconnect from the mobile app. This prevents lingering access. If you hit connection trouble, first confirm both devices have internet, the host appears online, and you're using the same Google account and correct PIN. If problems persist, restart the host, reinstall the mobile app, and check firewall or router settings that might block the service. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the host. It resolves most transient issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.